everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the stunning Flora Nymph transformations, a beautiful animated effect where your photo turns into a magical Flora Nymph wearing a glowing floral gown. And yes, we're doing it completely for free using PixVerse. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can access it from the websites or just download the PixVerse app from the Play Store if you wanna use it with the app versions. And once it installed, just go ahead and log in using your Google account. And then next, don't worry, in here PixVerse will give free daily credit, so even if you are new, you can generate these animations without spending anything. And then next once you open the home page, and then next once you're on the home page like this, and then just tap on template sections over here, and then just tap on live in styles on the top tab. Just this one, just tap on it, and then just choose Flora Nymph count, this one. This one is absolutely beautiful. It will give your photo a magical fantasy woodland goddess look a with a beautiful flower and soft animated effect like this. And then next, just simply tap on use template and then just choose your photo. Just choose a clear pictures of yourself or anyone that you want to transform. For the best results, you can use a portrait photo with good lighting and then visible face and shoulders. For example like this, and then once it uploaded, just tap on create. It will take 20 credits. And then go back and then go to mine and then just wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. There it is, your Flora Nymph transformations is ready. It looks so magical, and then the floral gown, this movement, and everything looks like it came straight out of fantasy animations. And okay, maybe that's it. If you like it, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.